If you are tired of old strategies, want to introduce an innovative approach to your trading and make good money, then you have come to the right place. This is MaxBot channel. Here I trade together with a powerful artificial intelligence that produces high-quality signals. Now I will show you the combined approach of technical analysis and trading neural network. I will show you how the robot thinks. I will start trading with a currency pair with a high payout percentage, the euro and the US dollar. The time frame for the first trade is 2 minutes. The investment amount is $300. You need to click on the corresponding settings in the robot menu, after which it will almost instantly give its recommendation.
Aye, aye, Captain.
The bot wants me to enter the market for higher. I will heed his advice and click the green button on the broker's website. I am sure that this deal will be successful, because the patency of the robot's predictions is between 89 and 95%. While the trade is in progress, I will show you why the robot could have made such a decision from the point of view of technical analysis. I use the TradingView service for analytics. Now I will evaluate the situation on the currency pair euro-dollar. I want to look at the situation from a distance, to see how the price moved before the start of our trade, to understand why we need to act this way now, going into a higher trade. By the way, the robot uses in forecasting not only technical analysis, but also price action, candlestick analysis and 30 indicators. Now, if I could have your attention, friends. On the histogram of tick volumes we can observe the parity of buyers and sellers by accumulated volumes right now. But if we look at the chart in a wider range of time, we can observe a smooth uptrend, which means a systematic increase in the advantage of the bulls. There have also been several local highs that have touched the upper Bollinger Band and in some cases crossed it. This criterion in this indicator meant a local bounce in price from the resistance area, but a trend reversal has not occurred because the buyers' volumes are too significant at the moment. The strength of the bulls can also be seen in the extensive support areas, which, like stepping stones, have allowed the price to step up over the last hour. Based on this, I believe that the trade will close with a positive result, and the robot, with the help of its lightning-fast algorithms, gave a signal by analyzing with such a conclusion. Right now there has been a bounce off the support area. This trade is guaranteed to close in plus, because the price has accelerated its upward movement, and according to the timings we are on time. So, I am going back to the pocket option broker. The situation is favorable. So, my real account received $267. Cool. By the way, MaxBot gives each user unlimited signals, so you can decide how much time to trade without any additional restrictions. Now I want to consolidate the positive result with one more successful trade. I will change the currency pair, Australian dollar and Swiss franc. I am satisfied with this option because it has a good payout percentage. I will work on a time frame of 3 minutes, investing an amount twice as much as the last time, $600. Promptly receive a signal from a smart neural network. Higher. It's time to analyze another trade from the technical analysis side. The deal's on. The robot indicates additional information in the signal message. At the moment volatility is increased, and the news has a very significant impact on the price movement of this currency pair. I will now quickly analyze the situation in TradingView. On the tick volume histogram we can see that the bulls were getting into the fray and had good volume about 20 minutes ago. Now they are starting to get back into the fray. Buyers, even with the local trend lower, tried to get in on the action and regularly organized support areas. Often the apparent dominance of one side can be deceptive and short-lived, so let's move on to other factors. The bears had a moment of fantastic strength recently. But this is deceptive, because there are many more factors than you may notice at first glance. Guess what it is? Let me explain. We can see by the candle crossing the lower Bollinger Band that the seller's dominance is ending and there is a hint of a trend reversal, which is also indicated by the indicator. Crossing its candle band can often mean a reversal, at least locally. I would like to emphasize once again that the bulls systematically created quite powerful support areas. Periodically, the chart was placed in a corridor of resistance and support areas. All these points indicate that an obvious long-term downtrend is not expected, which means that a trend reversal may be a very likely event. At some point, the situation stabilized and the candles approached the simple moving average. The wave of fluctuations calmed down a bit, and there were also doubts that the lower trend is long-term. These are the main points I wanted to share with you in terms of analyzing the robot signal, which I am sure will be accurate. So, I am going back to the broker's website. Here we see the situation we need. Buyers' support areas step by step raise the trend higher time after time. Resistance areas do not have a significant impact at this particular moment in time. And while this trend continues to move upward, I want you to move upward in earnings too. You can win $1,000 by participating in our contest with simple conditions. Watch this video in full, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading. I pick a winner weekly using a randomizer. The results are announced by our team in the project's Telegram channel, where you can get even more valuable information for the high side of your skills. Subscribe. The link is in the description of this video. So, the second trade closed in plus, thanks to the robot's accurate analytics, which I verified with technical analysis in TradingView manually. But the robot gave the result in a few seconds, because neural networks are thousands of times faster than a human being to make the right decision based on big data. Neural networks, like traders, just need regular training on fresh data. I made $777 in 2 trades today thanks to MaxBot. Friends, I give you 3 free signals from him. For this you need to follow the link in the description. You will be able to test this top tool and then purchase the full version if you feel it is necessary to do so. By the way, the robot can also work with over-the-counter trading. To work when the exchanges are asleep, you need to send it the command /OTC, after which currency pairs for this purpose will appear in front of you. Thanks for watching. I wish you to develop in trading thinking, pump your technical analysis. I tried to help you today with an illustrative example of reasoning on this topic. Like, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified about new episodes. Lots more interesting videos to come.